I made.
Welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a new dish. It's similar to Caribbean style. It's going to be oven baked mango chicken, and it has some spiciness to it, so I'm going to call it spicy mango chicken wings. Okay, so first off we're going to have some lambs, green onions, cilantro, melted butter, some hot peppers or sweet pepper with mixed Thai chili chop up, salt and pepper, and a little bit of corn syrup, or you can use honey. And the main thing here, I'm not using a fresh mango, I'm using a mango nectar, and it has this mango flavor in it. So I'm gonna give it a try. So first off, we are going to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to put the chicken in here. Marinate the chicken, we are going to use just this dry ingredient. I'm going to throw in the scallion or green onions. Then I'm going to use half of these cilantro, chopped cilantro, and the other half we're going to garnish at the end. We have salt and pepper. I'll use a pinch of salt, and then 1/4 of the black pepper. And then I'm going to save that for later. And then we're going to squeeze in 1 lime juice. And if you like it more sourness to the taste, you can add more. I'm going to do 1, from half to 1. I like it a little tangy sourness, so I'm using the whole lamb right now. Okay, so let's mix them up. We are going to marinate this chicken for 15 minutes before we put it in the oven. Okay. It's like pretty well coated, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. Now we are going to make the mango sauce for the wings. So I'm going to show this one. We are going to pour in about 1 cup of the mango nectar. Whisk it a little bit. Just start boiling a little bit. And I'm going to add in the butter. This is about 1 tablespoon melted butter. Then you can add the corn syrup, about 1 tablespoon, but you can use butter if you like. Just give it a little bit of sweetness and thicken the sauce a little bit.
You say butter or honey?
This is corn syrup. You can replace honey with it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of a pinch of salt. And red pepper. You can use jalapeno, red pepper, or grenade, red pepper,
Are those hot?
I use one hot Thai chili sauce, so it is a little bit now. You can mix the spiciness up to your taste. Ooh, this pot is a little too small. I am going to squeeze in half of the lamb. And we're gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna turn it off. What we're gonna use this mango sauce. It's to braise on the chicken wings after we bake it. So I'm gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's boiling pretty well. I'm going to turn it off. And we're gonna let it, put it aside. The next step we're going to do is to bake the chicken.
Alright.
Okay, now we're gonna line up the baking tray with the parchment paper. And I'm gonna spray, you can use any oil. I'm using olive oil. Sprays it so that we got some bake the chicken. We're gonna lay wings down. We are going to bake this chicken at 375, about 20 minutes each side. Make sure we flip it after 20 minutes. We flip it again, the other side for 20 minutes. I have here about a little bit more than 1 pound, so it's about 16 wings. All the juice down. There we go. So let's put this in the oven. Alright, so we baked the chicken 20 minutes each side. Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to braise the chicken. And we're going to put it back to the oven to broil for 5 minutes each side. Now we're going to give it a little bit flavor of the mango flavor and bake it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to flip it over after 5 minutes and I'm doing the same thing on the other side, okay? Okay, our wings is ready. And it's nice color. So once we coated the mango sauce with it, and with the last 10 minutes we brought it up to I put it all the way to 495, 10 minutes. And we got this brown char look. So I'm going to transfer it to the dish here. The next step. Okay, so we're going to transfer the rest of the wings over here. And the next step we are going to do is to make the mango sauce. We are going to thickening the sauce, okay? It looks good. Okay, I'm gonna start making the sauce. So we did the sauce earlier, so that I can use some of them to coat the braise the chicken while we're baking. Now we are going to thicken the sauce. So I have some cornstarch with flour with a little bit water. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this sauce back in here. You can see that it started boiling. Once it's boiling, I'm going to pull in the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Pretty good. We let it thicken a little bit. And I'm going to squeeze in a little bit more lamb juice, just a pinch. And I'm going to transfer just a little bit on the side, so you want to dip the sauce. And the rest we are going to mix it in. Let's do the dancing mix. This is our finished product, spicy mango oven baked wings. So you can squeeze a little bit lamb onto it, and then you can dip with the sauce if you like. And this is a very healthy baking chicken wings versus deep fry. I hope you enjoy my video and give it a try. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.